some espresso have we got here. This is an original Polini 177 cylinder head with the wrong spark. It's the long one, it should be small one. Yeah, this is the head of the black Vespa. It had an oil sucker, and what you see here, it was not sandpapered. So pretty lucky that it was tight. But what I want you to show is, you see the spark plug is not in the middle. It's also a not centralized geometry. That's the old classic head. This head comes with the original cast iron Polini, but as we know, there's a new aluminium cylinder. It's not really recommended, bad timings. It's a simply alu copy of the cast iron. So that's the new cylinder head of the aluminium Polini 177. I bought it at SCK Scooter Center. Let's unpack it. What do we have here? Most important thing, a speaker. And then a big screw. What is that big screw for? We'll see that when we unpack the cylinder head. You have two possibilities. You can put the spark plug in the middle or on the side, and you use this screw to close the other one. I'll use the middle one. And as we see here, the new Polini has 4 more screws. Yeah, and a way better modern geometry. What about the compression? The sphere here is quite big, so it will not be that high, the compression. We can make a small squish. How much is this edge here?